Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to add Davinci Resolve plugins. It's actually pretty simple. Make sure to download a preset. So I already downloaded my plugin, as you can see, some stabilize lock. So as you can see, it already lights up as our Davinci file that opens up with Davinci. Actually, one way of installing, just double click. And now it will ask you if you want to install this plugin. Alright, as you can see, we have this new window, and now it asks install SSC stabilize lock. This will add the selected template bundle to the effects library. So the effects library is the library where you will be able to find this effect. Press on install. Alright, and in here you just go to effects and you find it here. Okay, as you can see, it's under effects, magic toolkit, and there you go, stabilize lock. So enjoy guys, this is how you easily install plugins in Davinci Resolve. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, see you in the next video.